Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and redeem DoorDash gift card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, first of all open up your DoorDash app that you have installed and you're logged in with your correct account where you would like to redeem your gift card from. Then afterwards, what you're gonna do, tap on this profile icon that will begin given below right corner of your mobile screen. Once you have tapped on it, this will simply open up all kinds of account settings to your DoorDash app settings. Then if you scroll down, you will find this option called gift cards right over here below the video settings. Once you have tapped on it, you will have this interface where you can even buy a gift card if you would like to, or if you would like to give somebody, or some occasion is coming nearby, you can simply purchase cards and you can gift them. Other than that, you can see this have a gift card, redeem it with your gift card pin, which includes this box option where you can go ahead enter your gift card pin that you get within your card. Once you have entered it, and once you have entered the correct number of card, this redeem gift card option will light up. You will tap on that option and your card will be redeemed your card will be ready to be redeemed. So this is the simply option. Coming over here is the way you can simply come over here and redeem your gift card like that. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.